Hello friends, welcome to SQLServerLog.com. Today we are going to see how to update SQL Server Management Studio, that is SSMS, in Microsoft SQL Server database. What happens that for example we have installed earlier version and we have not automatically updated it or manually updated it, and if you want to update it to the latest version, I will show you how to do that. Okay, so first of all, go to SQL Server Management Studio, and in tools you can see check for updates. This option is available. You can click on it, then you'll get a small window, SQL Server Management Studio, where component will show you that what is installed, that is 19.1.56, which is already installed, which is previous version, and latest one is 20.2.30. So you can click on update button, and below you can see one check mark there, automatically check for updates for SQL Server Management Studio. So you can tick it so that it will automatically update next time. Okay, so click update. Now you will be diverted to download SQL Server Management Studio Microsoft website, and here you can see this version details is available. Now scroll down and you will find download SSMS. Now here you can see one link is given, download SQL Server Management Studio 20.2. Now if you'll read few lines below it, SSMS 20.2 is the latest generally available GA version. If you have a preview version of SSMS 20 installed, uninstall it before installing SSMS 20.2. So if you have previous one, you can uninstall before installing this version. So, and what it says next, installing SSMS 20.2 doesn't upgrade or replace SSMS 19.x and earlier versions. So if you have previous version installed like SSMS 19.x, 19.1 or something, if it is already installed on your system, you are working on it, it will not automatically upgrade or replace it. So you will get two instances of SQL Server Management Studio if you are installing 20.2. So both SQL Server Management Studio will be available, 19.x and 20.2. So it is better you can uninstall earlier version and install it, otherwise you may get error also. So for this you can click on download SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so I have just clicked on it. The size of SSMS setup enu.exe file, you can see 473 MB. Okay, so now once it is downloaded, you can click on setup file, and this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio release 20.2 welcome screen will be available, and it will ask you to install to begin. You can click on install. It will give you location where you want to install. So by default it gives C program files, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 20. This is the same location where if you can see, if you have version 19 installed, you can go there and check 19 version will be available there. So prior to installing this version, you can uninstall previous version. Now click on install button. The installation will continue, package progress, overall progress. Now once it is completed, restart required in order to complete setup. You can close this window if you don't want to restart it, or you can click on restart button and it will automatically restart. Now once you will click on 20.2 SSMS, which is already installed just now, so it will prompt you import user settings. Okay, for example, if you have already existing SSMS, so it will prompt you. For example, here in my case, I was checking whether what issues it gives. So I have installed over SSMS 19.x and 20.2, which right now I have installed. So it is prompting to import user settings. So whatever user setting is available in previous version, it is asking for import. You can import or you can click on do not import. It is up to you. Okay, so in this manner you can install SQL Server Management Studio updates to your system. Thank you for watching this video.